Well, have you ever wondered where the best place is to get stuff to upcycle and make money out of? And other than where people are throwing it away in skips and things, I've found car boot sales or jumble sales or yard sales and garage sales are the best place. Now, I've been going to them for the last couple of weeks. I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've got and how much they've cost me. The first thing was this wooden wine box. Now, it's got a lid on it, which is unusual, so that makes it great. Inside here, I've got all these other boxes as well. Now, this has got where this nice expensive bottle of wine was in here, but I can take those out, and a lovely little lid. Now, I've already been asked to make this into a memory box for someone to keep all their memories and trinkets in from their mum who died. So that's going to be a project you're going to be seeing soon. But I got this box, 4 of these boxes that I'll be able to do loads of different things with. That box, which is exactly the same but just got a different colour on, and that box which has got a felt lining in, all for £10. So what's that? $12. And I would be able to turn these around and easily make over £100, $100 from whatever I turn these into, probably a bit more. So that was the first thing. It's just sorting around and talking to people. The next thing I got was these. I love these. I think they're great. They got screw-on lids. They're glass, so we can etch into them if we want to, and they are easy to clean. I'm not going to have to do much with these other than fill them up with sweets, give them a clean, perhaps put a couple of etchings on them or some cricket information on there, and then a bow round there. And they're going to make great presents for someone, but they'll sell really well at a craft fair. The other thing is frames. Now look at that box frame. Brilliant light box. I can just take that apart, paint it up, and that I got for 50p. And these 2 frames, one with the Mickey Mouse in, it's not an original, I've double checked, and one with this picture in, I got those for £1. So that's £1.50 for those. I'm not sure if I said that these were 50p each. I also got these 4 tins, and I love doing these up and putting plants in them. And again, I got them for 50p. This was a steal. Now, I loved it. It's very, very dirty, so it's going to need a really good clean out before it's used. But I'm actually going to keep this for myself to put some lemon and things in and have water in it to have some nice, cool lemon water. And I got that for £1. I got these 3 little laughing gods or Buddhas. And they cost me, they were the most expensive thing. All 3 cost me £3. And they're not labelled or marked up or anything. So I'm going to make some moulds out of those on my other channel. I also got these 3 t-shirts. Now they're yellow, so somebody obviously didn't like yellow. And they've never been worn. And I got these for £1.25 for all 3. So I'll be doing something with those. And then finally, I got these boxes. Now if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I love doing up these types of boxes. Putting locks on them and turning them into something that's really, really pretty. These cost me about £6 for the 2. So again, next to nothing. And then I got myself this little glass jar, which again, I will do up, put something in it, and that was 50p. With everything that I've got here, I think I spent about £26 in total, and I will be able to do this up, sell this, and easily make £300 on it by selling it, if not more, at craft fairs. You don't always have to go out and get expensive things to craft on. You can go out and get some really great bargains that will last you a long time that you can take to craft fairs after you've done them up and done something different with them. The other great thing about this is these designs on these boxes, rather than being etched in or engraved in, have actually been printed on there. So I can get them off nice and easily and have them lovely and clean and ready for doing up and painting. So it's true what they say, one person's trash is definitely another person's treasure. And I will, without a doubt, enjoy doing every single one of these and turning these into something beautiful that will sell and someone else will be able to treasure. Have you found that a little bit interesting on where I get some of my stuff? Because a lot of people have asked me in the past, you know, where do I get this sort of stuff? And I honestly do just scour car boot sales, garage sales, yard sales, jumble sales, and I always end up coming back with something and picking up a bargain. Boom that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out this video where I've done up a box before that I've actually bought from a car boot sale. I think you'll really enjoy it. It turned out great, but most of all, enjoy your crafting. Take care. Bye.